Sony A7R III vs Sony A9. The Sony Alpha A7R III and the Sony Alpha A9 are two digital cameras that were announced, respectively, in October 2017 and April 2017. Both the A7R III and the A9 are mirrorless interchangeable lens cameras that are equipped with a full-frame sensor. The A7R III has a resolution of 42.2 megapixel, whereas the A9 provides 24 MP. Body comparison. The side-by-side display below illustrates the physical size and weight of the Sony A7R III and the Sony A9. 3 consecutive perspectives from the front, the top, and the back are presented. All size dimensions are rounded to the nearest millimeter. You can also use the toggle button to switch to a percentage comparison if you prefer that the measures are being expressed in relative terms. In this case, the camera on the left, the A7R III, represents the basis or 100% across all the size and weight measures. Sensor comparison. Both cameras under consideration feature a full-frame sensor, but their sensors differ slightly in size. The sensor area in the A9 is 2% smaller. They nevertheless have the same format factor of 1.0. Both cameras have a native aspect ratio, sensor width to sensor height. Feature comparison. Apart from body and sensor, cameras can and do differ across a variety of features. The A7R III and the A9 are similar in the sense that both feature an electronic viewfinder, which is helpful when framing images in bright sunlight. Moreover, their viewfinders offer an identical resolution of 3686K dots. The table below summarizes some of the other core capabilities of the Sony A7R III and Sony A9 in connection with corresponding information for a sample of similar cameras.